Ready to assign your first lesson on Edpuzzle? Let's go! First, go to My Content to select the video, quiz, or slides you want to assign. You can select a single activity or combine multiple activities into a single lesson. Next, give the lesson a title and adjust the settings. For a lesson with multiple activities, you can set the order for students to complete them. Set the start date and due date, and select the class or classes to assign the lesson to. Then click Next. Now you can adjust the settings for each activity, customizing your lesson to fit your classroom needs. In Settings, you can give students multiple attempts to demonstrate growth and mastery. Prevent skipping to ensure your students watch 100% of the video. Enable multiple video speeds, and enable closed captions. Want to gamify your lesson? For slides and quizzes, you have the option to enable a leaderboard to track the fastest correct answers and turn on a timer for questions. Once you've customized your activities, you can assign the lesson to your class or classes. Your lesson is now visible to students. Share a link with students or use live mode for a whole class learning experience.